Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MLA ka Nationalist Congress Party na Gambigre West Garo Hills Saleng Sangma ulapan pao badon kampan Weng wadni ki Myntri lani ki hepulit kumju ki Ophisar ki badon ki habay day mat ki jingdon ki Weight Bridge ki bala penyang klem dayo jingbet na sorkar pedeng laban gedaw bak sorkar pedeng kalayatu hayung darbar Lok Sabha ba ki don ki jingking atau ki kali kitmar asurok ba hami khalaya ke bala penyang klem dayo jingbet nak sorkar pedeng na ki sandali ki jingking bathau ye ki kali kitmar tangga wei ke dei ke bala yo jingbet usaleng ulaong haba ye dei bat kino ki kambe an ban lap ye ke jing shisha don kam banwan ra ye ke jing toket lengba ke Central Bureau of Investigation ula ban rap da ka baong ba ka ne ke dei ka kambe an ka bala jia ha ka jela bat kumta ngasngo ba ki kanhon toket na ka ne ka jela kim dei ban yo toket halor katay ke jingjia hanrei day ban IT bag sya ka CBI ula ongro banadu ki Myntri ki Deputy Commissioner ki Officer ki Superintendent of Police ki day ban sya Weng lada ki don jingtip padon kum katay ka kambean.
Since it has already reached center, all those officers who are involved in the district, you should be accountable because it's the officers who check the point. Now, out of 4 or 5 illegal check gates, they said like 4 of them are not been, given the permission. So that way, how could any check gate or any kind of way bridges can, run?
So what sort of an inquiry you are reminding?
No, any inquiry, let it be CBI inquiry also. Since we are talking about the CBI for any kind of illegalities, it should be CBI inquiry only. Because the state itself has, created this problem. I don't think the state agency can do the rightful answer, give the rightful answer for this particular situation. Now you see, corruption, it cannot be eradicated, but at least we can reduce the corruption. At least unless and until we take some action, not only against the erring officers, even those those who are directly involved. Maybe even if it is minister also, he should be sacked off. Anybody who's involved in it, not only the officers, it should be the officer, the higher up who is giving from commissioner till the till the SP, DC, and everybody actually who are involved in this particular thing. Unless and until you see, it's a way bridges and everything is like it's a very crystal clear actually illegal running the state actually.